Need a Phillips screwdriver and a 10mm wrench. Beginning on the driver's side, we turn the wheels to the right to make more room. We need to remove screws in the fender liner and the one 10mm bolt underneath. Peel back the fender liner to reach the bulb socket. Turn the socket counterclockwise to remove it. Pull out the incandescent bulb, replace it with the LED bulb, and test it. Line up the tabs on the socket with the slots in the housing. Install the socket and turn it clockwise to lock it. Replace the fender liner and tuck in the edge. Replace the screws and the bolt in the bottom. Now we'll repeat those steps on the other side. Start by turning the wheels all the way to the left. We need to remove screws in the fender liner and the bolt underneath. Peel back the fender liner to access the bulb. Turn the socket counterclockwise to remove it. Pull out the incandescent bulb, replace it with the LED, and test it. Install the socket and turn it clockwise to lock it. Replace the fender liner and tuck in the edge. Replace the screws and the 10mm bolt. The new LED turn signals work great and are a huge upgrade from the incandescent bulbs. And these new LEDs are canvas with no error codes, flickering, or hyperflashing.